Your car is trying to talk to you, and you're ignoring it. Over 70% of drivers see warning lights, shrug, and keep driving. But what if I told you that one small symbol could mean the difference between a $40 sensor and a $4,000 repair? Or worse, a fatal highway failure? This isn't just about avoiding costly mistakes. It's about keeping you and your family safe. Today, I'm breaking down 11 warning lights you must never ignore, even if the car still runs fine. Some might surprise you, some you've already seen this week, but one of them might mean your engine is about to die. Section 1. Check engine light, the mystery beacon. Let's start with the most common and most misunderstood warning, the check engine light, CEL. It's easy to ignore. Your car still drives, nothing seems broken, and hey, maybe it'll go away on its own? That's the trap. Behind that little yellow engine icon could be a loose gas cap. Yes, really. Misfiring cylinders. A failing catalytic converter. Emissions issues that lead to inspection failure. The psychological trick here? It feels harmless because it doesn't affect drivability. Until it does. Mechanic's tip. Always scan the code using a free tool at your local auto parts store or a cheap OBD2 scanner. Even minor codes can lead to major repairs if ignored. Section 2. Oil pressure light, the 30-second countdown. This light looks like a dripping oil can, and it's a ticking time bomb. If this light comes on while driving, your engine may be seconds away from catastrophic damage. Low oil pressure equals metal parts grinding without protection. Possible causes: low oil level, clogged oil filter, failing oil pump. Do not drive when this light is on. Pull over. Check your dipstick. If the oil level is fine, have it towed. This one light has totaled engines in less than a minute. Section 3. Battery warning. Light, your car's lifeline, is dying. Think this light means bad battery? Not always. The battery light usually indicates a charging system failure, meaning your alternator isn't keeping the battery charged. What happens next? Lights dim. Power steering fades. Your car dies in traffic. Ignoring this light could leave you stranded with a car that won't restart. Pro tip: if this light comes on, shut off AC and non-essential electronics. Drive to a safe place immediately. Section 4. Brake system warning. Not just the parking brake. This red exclamation mark or the word brake can mean multiple things. Parking brake engaged. Easy fix. Low brake fluid. ABS system malfunction. Failing master cylinder. Here's the kicker. Some cars won't differentiate between a harmless warning and a life-threatening one. If this light flashes while driving, stop immediately. Check fluid level and call for service. Brake failure isn't something you test. Section 5. Coolant temperature warning, the overheat killer. This one looks like a thermometer floating in water. It means your engine is running too hot. Heat kills engines. Fast. Causes low coolant, radiator leak, broken water pump, failed thermostat. If this light comes on, turn off the AC and turn on the heater to help draw heat away from the engine. Then pull over and shut off the car. Never open the radiator cap when hot. The steam can burn you. Section 6. Transmission temperature warning, the silent gear killer. This warning is often red or yellow and shaped like a gear with a thermometer. Transmission overheating can destroy the fluid, burn clutches, and cause complete failure, often without warning. Causes: towing too much, low transmission fluid, clogged cooler lines. If you see this light, pull over and let the car idle in park to cool. If it stays on, get to a mechanic as soon as possible. Section 7. Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, Hidden Danger. This one looks like a horseshoe with an exclamation mark. It's your TPMS light. Low tire pressure isn't just bad for fuel economy, it's dangerous. Poor handling, blowout risk, uneven tire wear. Underinflated tires cause over 11,000 accidents a year. Check your tire pressure monthly. not just when the light comes on. Section 8. Airbag warning light, safety system offline. This light, often a person with a circle in front, means your airbag system isn't ready. If you're in an accident with this light on, your airbags may not deploy. Common causes: faulty sensors, seat belt pretension or fault, previous crash not properly repaired. Pro tip: don't ignore it. Your life may depend on it. Section 9. Power steering warning. It's about to get hard to steer. Newer cars with electronic power steering show a steering wheel icon when there's trouble. When this light is on, steering may feel stiff. Power assist may shut off mid-drive. Parallel parking becomes nearly impossible. It's still drivable in most cases, but can be dangerous at low speeds or in tight turns. Check fluid if hydraulic. If electric, have the system scanned. Section 10. Electronic Stability Control, ESC, traction trouble ahead. This light looks like a car with skid marks. It means your traction control system is either off or not working. On slippery roads, this can lead to loss of control. ESC is now mandatory on all new cars. If the light stays on, your car may not correct understeer or oversteer. Wheel spin won't be regulated. Turn it back on if you disabled it. If it won't turn off, get it diagnosed. Section 11. DEF warning light, diesel drivers only. For diesel vehicles, this is huge. The DEF, diesel exhaust fluid, light means your emission system needs attention. If DF runs low or is contaminated, your engine might enter limp mode. You could get stuck at zero power. It may disable the vehicle from starting altogether. Keep DEF levels topped and never add water or use expired fluid. Bonus section. 2 more lights worth noticing. Service vehicle. Soon. This isn't the same as a check engine light. It often relates to non-emissions issues like lighting or suspension faults. Glow plug light. Diesel. If flashing, it could mean a fault with your preheat system, affecting cold starts and emissions. Section. Psychological loophole. Why people ignore the signs. We've all done it. The light comes on, the car runs fine, so we say it can wait. That's denial, a psychological coping mechanism to avoid the fear of costly repairs. Manufacturers design warning lights to look small, subtle, non-scary, but they mean business. The key is shifting your mindset from "it's still driving fine" to "what's this trying to tell me before it gets worse?" Section. Expert tips. What mechanics want you to know. Always keep a basic OBD2 scanner in your glove box, under $30, and it can save you thousands. Scan your codes before going to the shop. Know what's going on. If a red light comes on, stop immediately. If it's yellow, proceed cautiously and diagnose soon. Section. How to build the habit. Maintenance that prevents warning lights. Check fluids monthly. Monitor tire pressure weekly. Watch for dashboard light tests during startup. Make sure they come on, then off. Address small issues early. Don't ignore new sounds, smells, or performance drops. Viewer interaction. Drop your warning light story. Have you ever ignored a warning light and regretted it? Did one save you from a disaster? Drop your story in the comments. We want to hear from real drivers. Your experience might help someone else avoid a breakdown. There you have it. 11 warning lights that too many drivers ignore and too many mechanics profit from. Don't be that driver. Knowing what your car is telling you and acting fast can be the difference between a $40 fix and a total engine failure. Like if this helped you. Subscribe for more car survival knowledge. Comment which warning light scares you most, or which one you ignored until it was too late. Stay smart, stay alert, and let your dashboard be your guide.